Hi and welcome back to Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in this video we're going to take a closer look at the new polar bear pair die set from Trinity Stamps' latest release called Sparkling Season. I just love this die set. Here you can see all of the pieces cut out, and this contains 5 different dies. And the smallest pieces here are for noses and eyes for the large and the small bear. And you can see the scarf here is just darling, and you can option to use the scarf or leave it out depending on what kind of season you are using the polar bear for. I just wanted to share how I put him together. I think he's so cute. And here it is, all of the pieces, the dies, and of course the bears again, just so you can see how it looks. You can see the eyes and the noses there a little bit better. So here is a card that I created using the dies and some of the new products as well from Trinity Stamps' latest release. And here's the second card that I did with some more colorful bears. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to this channel. I will leave links down below for the bear die sets, and you can always visit our Instagram, our blog, and our Facebook page if you like more inspiration. Here are some pictures from the design team. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!